part 2 video of repair work to the concrete here at Whitehall Pool. As we can see today that there was a significant amount of concrete that was removed by the excavators yesterday. We have workmen relaying some rebarb, getting ready for concrete to be laid today. Hi there, ma'am. We've got the fact that it is rather close to the pool wall, but not actually inside the pool. The fence is open. I'm not going in, as I'm observing that this is a live construction site. I can tell that in the lap lanes of the pool from this vantage point that what we have is some freezing water at the bottom of that pool and some framework that is being installed around the edge of the pool to potentially get ready for the pouring of the concrete. So this is the status 4 days into the job, around noon. This is Beth Lynn Iker, Councilwoman-elect, signing off again.